Hello everyone, this is session 12 of Optional English BA 3rd semester of ESK University, Ballari. Today's topic is The Novelists of Romantic Age. If we consider greatest novelists of the Romantic period are two, one is Jane Austen and Walter Scott. The other one is Mary Edgeworth takes a minor role. So let us see life and works of Jane Austen. She was born in 1775 and was died in 1817. The place of birth is Hampshire, England. She was the first English writer who introduced ordinary middle class people in everyday life through her novels. She deals with the quiet intimacies of English rural life, free from high passions, struggles, and great actions. Jane Austen is one of the greatest novelists of the 19th century. She occupies a place among the female novelists of England. She imparted realism to her novels. She pioneered the comedy of manners. She introduced dramatic element. She wrote her novels from feminine point of view, and thus she feminized the English novel. She deals with the quiet intimacies of English rural life, which is free from high passions, struggles, and great actions. She published 4 novels during her lifetime: Sense and Sensibility, Pride and Prejudice, Mansfield Park, Emma, in these, and in Persuasion and Northanger Abbey, published posthumously. She wrote her novels from the feminine point of view, and she feminized the English novel, we have already discussed. She presents her own experiences and her own world. All her scenes belong to South England. She included country life, families, clergymen, and naval officers. Their chief interest was matrimony. Love and marriage is the main theme. Persuasion, that's all about Jane Austen. Let us talk on Walter Scott. He was born in 1771 and died in 1832. And the place of birth was Edinburgh, Scotland. He was a Scottish novelist, poet, historian, and a biographer who is known as the inventor and the greatest practitioner of the historical novel. He made every enduring contributions to its development in England as well as in Europe. Scott deals with a chivalric, exciting, romantic, and adventurous life of the Highlanders, people living on the border of England and Scotland, among whom he spent much of his youth, or with glorious scenes of the past history. He projected history as a wealthier one. He adds much color in descriptions, boundless vitality, and with much humor and sympathy. He beautifully portrayed the historical characters. His novels are Guy Mannering, The Antiquary, Old Mortality, and The Heart of Midlothian. His first attempt at a historical novel was Ivanhoe, written in 1819, and that followed by Kenilworth, Quentin Durward, The Talisman, etc. He returned to Scottish antiquity from time to time, as in The Monastery and Saint Ronan's Well. The minor poet Mary Edgeworth, novelist, 1767 she was born and died in 1849. The place of birth was Blackburton, Oxfordshire, England. She was an Anglo-Irish writer known for her children's stories and for her novels of Irish life. Her first novel, Castle Recurrent, written in 1800, and which reveals her gift for social observation, character sketch, and authentic dialogue. It established the genre of the regional novel. Walter Scott acknowledged his debt to Edgeworth in writing Waverley. Belinda, it's a society novel, was particularly admired by Jane Austen. Tales of Fashionable Life in 6 volumes, they included one of her best novels, The Absentee, which focused attention on a great contemporary abuse in Irish society. Absentee English landowning. Patronage and Ormond, her other novels. That is all about Maria Edgeworth. These are all the references which I have followed for the content. Thank you, one and all.